Hi everybody. I'm going to present one example in reference to something that Chelsea asked me about last week. She asked about exercise number 7 on page 18 or page 19. And I'm not going to do any from that exercise set, but I will do an exercise like what's on page 18 rather, exercise number 7. And here we are subtracting this number, psi nu epsilon, from beta with an accent mark, chi lambda delta. Now, is there a problem doing this? There might be. And really, what is the problem? The problem is that we don't know the addition, subtraction, or multiplication facts in terms of Greek or Ionic numerals. If we converted these two numbers into Hindu Arabic numerals, we could do it because we know the addition and subtraction facts if they're given in terms of Hindu Arabic numerals. So we really have two options here. We can either spend a couple of months really getting down the addition, subtraction, and multiplication facts in terms of Greek or Ionic numerals, or we can just convert these two things into Hindu Arabic equivalents, do the operation in terms of Hindu Arabic numerals, and then take the result and convert the result back to Greek Ionic numerals. And that's the approach that I'm going to take. The easy way out. Knowing me, I guess that figures. So let's look at this guy first. This is psi. What is psi? Let's see, our good friend psi. Come on, be here somewhere. Yes, psi is 700. So here we have 700. Now, nu. What is nu? Nu is 50. And finally, epsilon. That's a pretty funky looking epsilon there, I'm sorry. But epsilon is 5. And we're going to subtract that from, okay, this is beta with an accent mark to the left. Beta is the equivalent of 2, but this accent mark multiplies it by 1,000. So this is 2 times 1,000. Now our good friend chi, what is chi? Chi is 600. And now lambda. Let's see. Lambda is 30. And then delta. Delta is 4. So we want to subtract 755 from 2,634. Okay, we have to borrow right off the bat. So we have 14 minus 5 is 9, but we borrowed, so we had a 2 there. But we got to borrow again. So we have 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 7, oops, we got to borrow again. This is 15 minus 7 is 8. And we have a 1, so 1,879. Now, did I do it correctly? Let's see. 9 plus 5 is 14, take the 1. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry the 1. 9 plus 7 is 16, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So I guess we can concentrate now on converting this back to Greek Ionic characters. 1,000. Well, I think the way the Greeks would do this is they'd take 1 and multiply it by 1,000. So what's 1? 1 is alpha. So we're going to take an alpha and put an accent mark to the left. And now we have 800. What's 800? 800 is omega. Then we have 70. 70 is omicron. And then finally 9. What is 9? 9 is our good friend theta. So our answer alpha with an accent mark to the left, omega, omicron, theta.